coder or profession that you have are already on, moving on, or working on, or that are started on. So that is my coding journey that has already begun 1 year. There first in 2020, after in 2020 21. Okay, in 21 I have started my coding journey. That is the coding journey during my first year. I have started. So how I in the started my coding journey. After that I have developed my started to develop my game that not able to live there at the middle of this stage. Now in I have in this video I am going to share with my all project journey, my experience, what I am facing during my project, creating a project, or what is happening with me. So do to watch the video if you are a coder and what happened with you. So do like, share, subscribe, and follow me for more related video on this channel. So let's start with our discussion of what is happening with me. So that is the beginning of a beginning of in the beginning of a coding in 2021. In 2021 our first academic year has been started, and we have first academic started. I have joined in coaching center due to the environment not I am interested. After that I have leave because in first time I have completed I have leave. I had in first time I have completed. I have leave that coaching center. After that I have in the second semester is however I have tried to learn coding along with the programming. And what happened with me, that is not programming. Now third sem is over. Now it is time to fourth sem. That is the Python in just Python. I have make a video on how I completed and will describe the scientific reason about all of this that I have completed this. So that is after the completing my Python, it is time to move over or work on a project that I have to do. My first project I have already completed my three project. I will give you one project in the community post. You can check or see the whatever is my result. So my first project is mini project. I will tell you as a name as a mini project. In a mini project I have to send a mail in WhatsApp through a Python code. Okay, what happened in this case? In this case, what happened in the when due to the enormous load or of laptop, enormous load on my phone, or maybe a slow internet connection. Uh, you know that when you run a WhatsApp on your desktop or like laptop or computer, you have to link your phone WhatsApp to the oh, browser WhatsApp web page of that WhatsApp. Okay, for this I have open my WhatsApp and try to link this WhatsApp. Okay, after that it has not link due to this reason. The message that I want to send through the number that has not worked. For this you have to sending a number, you have to install some package from the internet so that you can easily send it. Okay, so that's why the first project is over. Okay, so now it is the time to move on a second project. That is the second project what I have done. That is the tracing of a number. Okay, so in the tracing of a number, what happened? You have to install some package from a trace a number. Okay, py pivot kit. Okay, some name of like the pivot kit. Okay, due to the my program, due to my error in programming. Okay, it has not worked, and the when I run my program on laptop, it has not worked. Okay, so that project is over. It is time to now today I have a complete able to generate my own QR code for my channel, and I'll tell you the story behind it. So in the project to in this project what I happen, I am this project is the basically two. First is basic, second is advanced level of the first person. Okay, advanced level of first person is generated, second person has not generated. I have seen my lab, seen in my terminal. That is the case. Location is existed, but due to my path error, okay, due to my path error, second first project along with the second project is not completed, but first project is completed and able to. I'll share with you the first project with my community post. Go check out and scan this result. You are able to find amazing result of this code. Okay, so in the first project, that is the case. That is the some of the reason that I have not due to some reason that is not able to complete. Okay, so what is the most probable reason that I have to build it for this all of this and take so much time then to come started my coding, and I am able to learn my Python just 5 day. So mm, if I sum up with 5 day, that will be probably 3.5 day. Okay, that will be happen. So I am giving you, so our in a human body system is based on the controlled by the brain. Okay, brain is our top, brain is our main system. If brain is, if somehow if you have already heard it, able to hear that if brain is lost, then human is already have to said to be a died person. Okay, if human body is working based on what, based on your the system that is signal that is processing, human body is working based on your signal. If you study on physics or neuroscience, that you will see that is true. Okay, when the signal is attached, that is the all. If you start able to learn the human body, working of human body, then you can always understand the networking of a system. Okay, you can always understand the networking of a system of a computer. That is the truth. Based on this computer, based on this human body, the all the networking, the internet, it is have been made by the people, made by the people, that is gifted by to a person that has taken so much time. So when is your brain is empty? Okay, when a brain is empty in the initial day of your life, then there is, then you are doing your own. That is, if you see the a baby from 2 to 3 years old that has not worked, that if you see someone that is not content job, that will after the time that has increase the effect of an baby, effect on a baby head of a surrounding. That's why he try deviate from it, lost his childhood days. Okay, from his childhood days, that's why he increase and with the time. Okay, so let's come into the topic. So we are explaining why these are happening with me and why I have failed. So when my our system, okay, our brain is empty, or with the surrounding, with the surrounding, they get signal. What does surrounding are doing, from that brain will collect, take in a photo of every person that try to input on our system. That's why people say that what is your surrounded, then you will become like that. Okay, so surrounding people is very important or matter for your life. So if you are surrounded by your anyone that is have, so that is you have to do. So for this, when you are surrounded, if surrounded is people is not what your people dream not align with you, because they will reflect their another negative energy against of you, which will taken by when your brain is outside and taken from the surrounding, and it pass through your body, and because of this your all parts of organism, okay, have to work like this. That's why you have to, I have faith. And when this signal is passes through your or your spinal cord, it directly go into your or emotional parts of hearts. Okay, when the signal, brain signal and emotional signal, brain signal connect with your emotional signal, it give the glow of your lives. Okay, that is the basic fund of your life. So that is happen when it's connect with your, and with this flow, that it, if it flow all the body parts of a body equally, and then you have to, you have do some work or you will do some work, then if there is nothing, no there will no chance of failing, or there is no chance of working, chance of failing or losing something. So what happen if it match with this your emotional part and some signal is match, if there is a deviation, if there are surrounding effect on you and that is stored in your subconscious brain, that if attack on your that signal, okay, that debate you and all the works that you have done, after that time you will see that that is lost, probably lost, because it has not worked based on what the flow of signal. When you see the, have you studied the mechanical property of fluid? There is a flow of steady fluid, streamline fluid, and streamline, okay, streamline and turbidity of liquid. So turbidity is like that, like of that, that is the same scenario in happen in human flow and emotion. That is the, you can say that equation of Bernoulli is followed by this, okay. If the equation of Bernoulli is satisfied with your mental emotional signal and processing emotional part, and that will give you best result of your life, and it takes small time. That is what you have to do if you want to have done your work like 72 hours. If you have done with the without this processing signal, it takes 70 hours. When you have done this, that will take only 6 or 4 hours, that you are able to do this with very large times, okay. So that is the scenario happening with me. That is the scenario happening with me, and I am facing because of this. It take me started so much time, and that's why I have completed to completed my 5 day in coding. Now that is the time. So I think you have got it. And what is your reason? Probably if you are a coder and starting a learning a Python and doing a project, what project you have done, comment me below. I'll give and share with your friend, and what is the reason. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook. We'll meet another video. I'll share with you, all of you, that what happened as a college student when we are learning programming and try to be a